Okay guys, we are having another build on the channel coming soon. Um, okay, let me go to my YouTube channel right now. Um, I don't know why that's, okay, never mind. So yeah, these are other videos. Check out this one, that's one of my good videos. These are videos I was testing out what I want to do on the channel. Here we go. Watch this and this should give you guys an update. Wait 1 second. What's going on? So I want to know what you guys want me to do with that tractor outside. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna go show you in a few minutes here. So what I'm thinking is buying a parts tractor for the motor, because I already have a transmission on that tractor. The motor blew on that tractor because it burned oil and do it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna buy a Kohler, whatever you call it, their engines, for probably about $50. It's about 12 horsepower. I'll put a picture in after. But yeah, let's go see that tractor and show you guys what we have plans for. Okay, so for the tractor, I was kind of going for the classic look, like muscle car classic. So there's a bunch of bugs back here. As you can see, I was kind of sanding it all down and everything. Now it's just sitting back here. As you can see, and there's no motor. So I want to repaint it. Do fake white walls, stuff like that. Hold on here, guys. So with that, I'm gonna repaint it. I was thinking more of a red and white maybe for Canada, or the Harley Davidson theme, which is already on the Sears Craftsman logo. But yeah, so might do that instead. And that seat kind of looks perfect because it's just a pan, but I might kind of put foam on it with vinyl, like my bike, like my bicycle seat. It's leather wrapped, as you can see. Leather, like every other vehicle. I got the four-wheeler back there, my dad's bike. I'll get a video of that one day washing it. Probably most likely this weekend I'll be washing it. You're wondering why I have this, because it's windy. So that's what I want to do with the tractor, stuff like that. So I'll put a photo in the end of the video showing what motor I'm going to be putting in. So yeah, that's it. So just wanted to give you guys an update. So peace. So So yeah, that's the new build. This was actually posted July 17th, 2018. What I wrote was sorry about the pic. I was short. It was a short vid, and I was in a hurry. So enjoy. Don't forget that I post videos every day. So make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos. So like and comment, subscribe. So that's that. That was the next project, the Polaris Sportsman, but unfortunately things fell through with that. No financial money for it. So then this was a walk around of a Craftsman YTS 4000.
Then the 92 jack I just got this winter. So then I'm gonna show you the builds thing. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna add to it. So right now we have relays, because we're gonna be adding the battery volt new 4-pin ignition. Actually, we can save that for later. We have the battery, an exhaust, a shifter for the lights. This is because if you see, it's got that, it's got the voltage, it's got a lock point, it's got decent. Then we got more toggle switches, a horn button, uh, a pull switch, a tachometer, oil pressure, turbo boost gauge. So I'm going to be turboing the new motor. That's because it's going to be a diesel. Speedometer. We also have the hickory brown. I call it the gimp, not the gimp knob, the jerry knob. I don't know, I've always just called it that. And then we got the spray can gun. This is one important tool for the build. Because you guys see the bracket, it just hooks up. So when you saw on the tractor, in the video that you saw, the side that's facing towards the fence, that's where the ignition's gonna go. So it's actually supposed to go on a Honda motor, but who cares? And that's the new seat. I know I said I was gonna use the pan, but I don't feel like making a mountain. So the pan's out. We got these round LED lights to go where the original lights on, another pull switch, and then that. Because if we go back to the video, go further in the video here. Okay, 1 second here. Didn't mean to close. Yeah, my phone's hacked. Okay, so here's where the lights are gonna go. Then over here, where I'm coloring in, that's where the ignition's gonna go. The pull switches are gonna go right here. Then I'm gonna put an LED bar right here. Put a hood scoop here. Then right inside the engine, so right here, we're gonna put a turbo. And then back further right there is gonna be the blow off valve. And then we're gonna put some V treads there and a V tread there, so it's gonna, V treads. Gonna have to drill a bracket there. So that's that. Let me check if I have any. Okay, so here is okay, here we go. We are gonna use white. So here, actually, it's not. You're not able to see that. We're gonna use a nice bright blue. So here is where the switches are gonna go. That's where one of the speedometers are gonna go. Another one there where the hole is, and then I'm gonna build a little thing there to put the rest up there. We're gonna cut about that much off, so right under the sign. We're gonna cut to So the engine's gonna stick it a bit, so yeah, that's that. And then we're gonna put a new steering wheel on. So, and then the new seat's gonna be here. So big changes for it, so yeah. If you're wondering, that's just a car I have in the background. The actual vehicle I want to buy. If you guys do want to buy the Project Supercat 440, is what I'm calling it, the Supercat 440. I am selling it. I'll show you. Project Supercat 440 is up for sale if you guys want to go buy it. Actually, I think I have the vehicle I want to buy in favorites. So this is one of the vehicles. It's in the rear. I've searched up. You cannot find this color tone anywhere. So it's the Laramie color tone, Laramie Longhorn color tone, but basic. So it's the basic truck, but it's the Laramie color tone. Then this is a 1500 mega cab, but what I want to do is buy a 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel and swap it in. So yeah, you guys, if you don't notice, this has got 9,800 and something views. So it's got 9,898 views. Channels about, so I'm at 10,208 views. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys, because so you won't miss another one of my videos. I am going to be posting another one tomorrow. On my gaming channel. So which is this one. So I have, or actually, you know what? I'm just gonna post it on this for now, because the gaming channel's not up and running. Really, there's no really any videos on it. I think my mechanic channel has some videos actually. Yeah, this does have some videos. Okay, so that was a lawn tractor review. Here's this one, guys.
Okay, guys, so this is my tractor with a Troy-Bilt motor with the pull start. On here. It was a push mower engine. As you can see, there's the push mower engine and the push mower gas tank, just right here. Is a 5-speed with reverse. So you got first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. And your neutral. And we got our auxiliary switch. And it's supposed to be our push start. No battery, no starter yet. So we're gonna take the stuff that we don't need off of here. Put them up here. That's our tweaking screwdriver for tweaking our pull start. So we can turn the screws in or out of it's too loose or it's too tight. I can't get the oil thing off, even though I try. It's just plastic. That's gotta be pushed all the way back and the screwdriver shoved in to here. So I'm gonna pull it out and try to start it. Okay, got it out. So that's that. Okay, hold on. Okay. We got all that set up. So she doesn't want to start.
So actually, after this video, I actually got the tractor running. I actually forgot to record it, so I'll let you guys get back to the video.
Compression. Leaking gas again. All right, there is gas. Hey. So here's my primer ball. Try to push that into the carb. Try half choke. You guys didn't know that's my choke. It like fires and then doesn't fire, and as you can see, this is my recoil. I won't go. Okay, well, next time you guys see a video of this, it'll be right.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this last video, and then that's when I'm gonna end the video. So, actually, that's not the diesel motor that I was talking about. That's actually an old push mower engine. That was just to get it to move around and make sure the transmission still works for my diesel conversion. Because it's all belt driven, right? So, it's gonna take a while for the diesel to come and into play into this whole build, but I hope you guys like the series I'm gonna put on for you guys, and yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you guys get notified when I make more videos. So see ya.